Meme coins are one of the hottest sectors in crypto right now. With 100x opportunities happening every single week, many traders are turning small amounts of money into massive sums, most recently on the Solana blockchain. But guess what? This week, we're going to have meme coins launching on Bitcoin. So, wait, what? Yes, you heard that right. This week, we're going to have meme coins on Bitcoin. And so, do you want to find the next 100x opportunity whenever this happens? Then I'm going to tell you everything you need to know in this video today as a blockchain developer myself who works this technology on a daily basis. So if you're new around here, that's what you're interested in, then smash that like button down below and subscribe. And while there's a lot of opportunity to make some quick money with meme coins, this opportunity is not going to last forever, and the absolute best way to make it, Solana's market cap's about $77 billion time recording this video, and the meme coin market cap's about 10% of that, all right? So $7.7 billion. Now, Bitcoin's market cap is 1.3 trillion. It's the largest cryptocurrency by a huge margin. And, if meme coins got 10% of that, that would be 130 billion. An order of magnitude larger than Solana's meme coin market cap. Now, that's probably not going to happen, especially now when the Rune standard goes live, okay? But what if, it could become just 1% of Bitcoin's market cap? Well, all the meme coins will be worth 13 billion, which would already be larger than the meme coin market cap on the Solana network. Now, again, I'm not saying that's necessarily going to happen either right after this goes live, but that's the potential. And so that's where meme coins could go on Bitcoin, okay, backed by this Rune standard, which is going live this week whenever the Bitcoin halving goes live, okay? So what exactly are runes and how do they make meme coins possible? Well, in order to understand this, you have to go back to an event that happened last year in Bitcoin with the creation of Bitcoin ordinals or inscriptions and the BRC20 standard. So I talked about this on my channel whenever it went live. So hopefully you were subscribed and watching where that happened. If you're not, make sure you subscribe now so that you find out about all this stuff before it blows up. But basically, we saw the creation of the ordinals standard, which basically lets you put new things on Bitcoin besides just Bitcoin, okay? This is created by Casey Rottermore, who's also creating this Rune standard that I'm talking about today. But basically, back then, what they started to do was take arbitrary data and inscribe it onto a sat on top of Bitcoin. So what is a sat? Well, if you divide Bitcoin to the smallest number, that single unit is called a sat. So just like if you take a US dollar, you divide it to the smallest unit, that's going to be a penny. So a sat is like a penny for Bitcoin. And I found that you could put like arbitrary data on here. And so that led to the creation of ordinals. You could do things like NFTs on top of Bitcoin. And that also, came out with the BRC20 standard for fungible tokens, where you could do things that are more like other coins on top of Bitcoin. Now, both the ordinal standard and the BRC20 standard are pretty clunky, and that's why they're creating, these Rune standard so that we have better coins that are going to be launched on top of Bitcoin. Again, this is a fungible token standard. What does that mean? So fungible just means that you can trade any item in the collection for another one that's worth the same amount, as opposed to a non-fungible standard. So if you see NFTs, that's like baseball trading cards. It matters which trading card you have because one might be more rare than the other. But a fungible token standard is like, coins. If I have the first Bitcoin ever mined versus the one that was most recently mined, I can still trade those for one another because they're worth the same amount. Just like a coin or a dollar. If I have $1 US, I can trade it for a different US dollar. It doesn't matter which one I have. That's an example of a fungible token, and that's exactly what a meme coin is, which is why we're going to see this go live whenever runes go live. All right, so that's the story behind runes, how they came to be and how they work so that they can implement meme coins after the Bitcoin halving. So now let's talk about how to find 100x opportunities and buy them. So again, none of this is not financial advice. I'm not necessarily recommending any projects that I mentioned right here. And I don't recommend that you put your life savings into meme coins either. But let's start off with the first thing. So if you're going to do this, you need a special wallet that actually supports runes. Okay. Because if you don't, this is all happening on chain. And if you don't have the right tools in place, then you're not going to be able to take advantage of this opportunity. So one wallet that supports this is going to be the Xverse wallet. This is a Bitcoin wallet that's supposed to support runes out of the box whenever they go live. Now, again, they haven't gone live yet, so I can't, give a testimonial from experience based on this stuff. I can't give you a testimonial from experience on any of the stuff that I'm mentioning here going forward. Just full disclosure, there's going to be risk involved with that. But these are some options to look into before this goes live. Now, in terms of buying runes, okay, how do you actually buy them? Well, again, this is all happening on chain. So one option is going to be on RuneX, okay? So this is going to be the premier rune exchange. It looks like an automated market maker, just like Uniswap or Radium if you use that on top of Solana, where you can, choose the coin that you have in your wallet and which one do you want to buy, okay? Another one's going to be Rune Bitcoin, okay? It's going to be the first verifiable leading rune service where you can do things like mint, runes, all right? They have a marketplace and also a DEX, which is supposed to be coming soon. Now, those are some ways that you can buy and sell these runes with your wallet that I mentioned a minute ago. But how do you actually find out about the opportunities, okay? Because it's not exactly like this is all just supported on DEX Screener right now where you can just go look it up. So you need some discovery tools. So one of those discovery tools is going to be Rune's market cap. Now, again, this is all, based on speculative numbers because these haven't actually launched yet. But here's a list of different Runes projects and their category and their market cap and their token generation launch date. All right. So you can see my projects here like RuneX, okay, runestone, pups, and so much more. And if you want to talk about specific projects before they go live, runestone is definitely one that people have their eye on. Node monkeys, taproot wizards or quantum cats, Bitcoin puppets, and on-chain monkey. All right, so that's an overview of Bitcoin runes that are coming out this week with the Bitcoin halving. Again, this is going to be just in a few days at the time of publishing this video, and I expect there'll be some pretty big opportunities in this ecosystem because, people are always looking for the next hot thing. People who were early to the Solana Memecoin craze made absolutely astronomical sums of money, and whenever new ecosystems launch like this, lots of people are going to flock to it to try to capitalize on big winners who could become the category leaders for these ecosystems, so that's a huge play. Just like with Solana, people wanted to get early in on WIF to be the top meme coin for this ecosystem, and there's likewise going to be a fight to find the top meme coin inside of the Bitcoin ecosystem with runes. That's where the 100x's and 1000x's are going to come from. And if the Bitcoin meme coin market cap reaches even a fraction of the percent of Bitcoin's actual market cap, it could easily eclipse Solana's meme coin market cap, and these coins could be worth insane amounts of money. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Are you excited about Bitcoin runes? Do they have massive potential just like Solana meme coins? Are they all just going to go to zero? I want to hear from you. And while you're finished, make sure you smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. And of course, while there's a lot of opportunities to make some quick money with meme coins inside of crypto, these opportunities are not going to last forever. And the absolute best way to make long-term life-changing money in this space is to become a blockchain developer so that you can increase your earning potential, land a job in the industry, create your own bots, whatever. I can show you how to do that step-by-step from start to finish over at dappuniversity.com/bootcamp. You really don't have to be an expert to get started today. I thought people with zero coding experience become real-world blockchain developers in a matter of months. So that's all I've got. Until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.